You might have heard of chia seeds before, but did you know that they're packed with incredible health benefits? These tiny seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. In this video, we're going to explore 10 of the top health benefits of chia seeds, from their high fiber content to their omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are small, but they are packed with important nutrients that are essential for good health. In addition to protein, fiber, and calcium, they also contain other important minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Chia seeds are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect against cellular damage and disease. Chia seeds have been shown to help with weight loss by reducing appetite and promoting feelings of fullness. The high fiber content in chia seeds can also slow down the digestion of food, leading to a more gradual release of energy and fewer cravings for unhealthy foods. Chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, which can help to regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This can help to prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which can contribute to diabetes and other health problems. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a common factor in many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of chia seeds can help to reduce the risk of these diseases and improve overall health. Chia seeds have been shown to have a positive effect on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and reducing the risk of heart disease. The high fiber content of chia seeds can also help to improve heart health by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy digestion. Chia seeds are a good source of carbohydrates, protein, and fiber, which can provide sustained energy throughout the day. They also contain important vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, which are essential for energy production and overall health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone health and preventing conditions such as osteoporosis. Improves digestion. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which can help to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. They also contain prebiotics, which can feed the good bacteria in the gut and improve digestive health. Chia seeds are a good source of antioxidants, which can help to protect against cellular damage and promote detoxification. Additionally, the high fiber content can help to promote regular bowel movements and remove waste and toxins from the body. Chia seeds contain antioxidants such as vitamin E, which can help to protect against sun damage and other environmental stressors. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help to reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin. Including chia seeds in your diet may help to improve skin health, reduce the signs of aging, and promote a healthy, youthful appearance. That is all. Hope that you have enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.